we have another Tesla Model X wrap project. Hey, what color we're gonna do? I'm gonna show you. We've done this color before on a Range Rover, but now we're doing it on Model X. Matte green. Isn't this cool? Oh boy. All the chrome is going away as well. We got the trim taken off. We're getting ready to do, of course, the initial process of just removing trim pieces, prepping the panels, and getting ready for the wrap transformation. If you're getting a new car and you're trying to decide what color to get and you know you're gonna vinyl wrap it, consider getting a black one, just because any color you vinyl wrap over a black car is gonna be a lot less obvious than like on a blue car or a red car. Oh, the first piece is laid, guys, and dude, I could tell Ray this is gonna be a sick freaking project. Model X is really moving along right now. Isn't this color amazing, Sean?
I hate all cars.
But this car.
I hate all cars, bro.
But not this one. It's matte green. You can't hate matte green.
I hate matte green, bro.
Matte green is cool. Take that back.
Nope. Race car to you?
It's a street legal car. Street legal car's not
Sean!
It has a...
If it's street legal, it's not a race car.
What is it called?
If it is street legal, it's not a race car.
It's an RX-7. That's a race car.
Outside, man.
Dude, but the way this thing drives, it should be a race car.
It just feels right.
Dude, that looks a lot better. That is cool. That looks good.
Way better.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. It really just goes against everything we would like, and you just say, nah, I want these black.
I believe this is how Tesla, when they first announced like the Model 3 and they did door handles, it was the same color as like the door panels.
It's all about that angle, Haywood, you know what I'm saying? It's all about that angle. It's not precision. It's not good.
Ah.
Negative too.
Why is it negative?
Because not a lot of people get to
Ah, the Dark Scrolls.
the dark scrolls. They don't really exist, but they exist. It's like dark magic, you know?
The Dark Scrolls.
Dark scrolls.
And here it is, matte military green, the first Tesla we've done in this really cool color. It just makes the car look so mean. It gives it so much more edge, you know? Because the car is really soft and round, so it definitely makes it more balanced. The matte finish really accents the body lines, especially around the doors, the fenders, and the front bumper. And it also emphasizes the lights, since everything in the car is either matte or satin, so the lights really kind of just pop out. And like usual, we took apart the trims to wrap the vinyl underneath, like on the doors, and that way you don't see where the film stops and starts. It just looks seamless and clean. All the chrome pieces got converted to satin black either through paint or wrap, depending on the piece itself. It's the perfect complementing color for the green for sure. And it all blends in really well and it doesn't detract from the overall look. And of course, we couldn't do all this and not tint the windows, so every window is tinted 70% in the front, 30% on the sides and the back for the ultimate heat rejection that you can buy. Last but not least, the wrap is graphene coated to help with the maintenance, especially since this is a daily driver. It's gonna make a big difference. Let me know what you think of the project. I'm a big fan of green, so this one definitely is one of my favorite projects thus far. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. We're also doing some specials right now on some vinyl wrap, so if you want to get your car wrapped in a cool color, here are just some of the colors we have. We have a lot more. Let us know that you saw this video and that you're interested in getting a wrap done to get the special pricing. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.